Question 4. Do you feel shy while speaking English?
Sometimes I feel shy. Actually, I want to say that when I just started to learn English, so at that time I. Hello there, this is Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur, and today we are going to have our a conversation with ChatGPT. ओके, जैसे कि मैंने आपको कल बताया था डे 1 में कि मैं कॉन्वर्सेशंस करूँगी ChatGPT के साथ, जो कि हमारी डेली कॉन्वर्सेशंस होगी और जिससे कि हम अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करेंगे. ओके, तो मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि कैसे हम ChatGPT के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हैं, और उसके साथ मैं आपको बता भी दूंगी कि ChatGPT से ही कैसे हमें कॉन्वर्सेशन की स्क्रिप्ट लेनी है और उसको पढ़ना है. देन ChatGPT को कहना है कि मुझे ये क्वेश्चन पूछो और आपको उन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन ChatGPT. ओके, मैंने कॉन्वर्सेशन पहले ही तैयार कर ली थी, तो इसीलिए मैं डायरेक्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू करूँगी. ठीक है, बट मैं आपको बता दूंगी. ठीक है, मैं एक साइड पर वीडियो लगा दूंगी कैसे ChatGPT से क्या पूछना है. ठीक है, सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Could we please start a conversation?
Alright, let's dive in. So, welcome to our English practice session. How are you today?
I'm feeling good. What about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Question 2. Can you tell me your name?
This is Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur.
Nice to meet you, Kar. Why do you want to learn English?
Actually, I want to gain more and more confidence, and I want to brush up my communication skills. So that is why I want to improve my English.
That's a great reason. Question 4. Do you feel shy while speaking English?
Sometimes I feel shy. Actually, I want to say that when I just started to learn English, so at that time I used to feel shy a lot. But right now I'm okay. But sometimes while speaking, I make mistakes while pronouncing words.
That's completely normal, and it's great that you're improving. Question 5. When did you start learning English?
Actually, it's been a long time. Like, I'm learning English for 3 to 4 years, but I'm not perfect yet. So that is why I want to I want to improve it more.
That's a wonderful journey. Question 6. How do you practice English every day?
I can tell you that I practice English by the help of YouTube, as well as I practice English by the help of you, and I also practice alone because I do not have any partner to speak English or to have conversations. So that is why I just like to have conversations with you.
That's fantastic. Question 7. What is difficult for you in English?
Well, there are many things which are difficult for me, but these days I would say that um, like pronouncing some words which are a bit difficult for me.
What is your goal when learning English?
Could you repeat it again?
Of course. Question 8. What is your goal in learning English?
In learning English, I just want to be fluent. That's my goal, and I just want to make others confident, because that is why I like to record myself while having a conversations with you, because I want to tell to others that if they do not have any partner, so they can learn at their own. So that's my goal, as well as I want to improve. I want to brush it as much as I can.
That's a wonderful and inspiring goal. And that wraps up our day 1 conversation. If you're ready, we can move on to day 2 or any other day you'd like to practice. Just let me know.
Okay, we will have conversation tomorrow. Thank you. So that's all for today. I had a conversation with ChatGPT, and I will tell you in my next video that about which topic you can have a conversation. Thank you and follow for more. Okay guys, this is our chat GPT and यहाँ से इस माइक से आप चैट जीपीटी से पूछ सकते हो, कह सकते हो चैट जीपीटी could you please give me a conversation related to our daily life, like it should be simple and easy to read and easy to speak, and please write a script or a conversation and can you have a conversation with me, लाइक जो भी कन्वर्सेशन तुम लिखोगी वही कन्वर्सेशन मुझे तुम्हारे साथ करनी है इंग्लिश में. आर यू एबल टू डू इट? एंड प्लीज़ राइट अ कन्वर्सेशन. या आप हिंदी में भी कह सकते हो कि प्लीज़ राइट अ कन्वर्सेशन इन इंग्लिश फॉर बिगनर्स. अभी देखिए थोड़े टाइम में प्रोसेस हो जाएगा और आपको आपकी स्क्रिप्ट मिल जाएगी. ये देखें आपको स्क्रिप्ट मिल गई है. ठीक है, ये देखिए सभी डायलॉग्स है, क्वेश्चंस है और उनके आंसर्स भी हैं. ठीक है, और आप इनको पढ़ सकते हो. देन यू कैन आस्क टू चैट जीपीटी. यहाँ से तो आप रिकॉर्ड करके इसको क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो. देन ये वाला जो ब्लैक कलर का है इस पर आप जब क्लिक करोगे इस पर तो ये कन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हो. सो कन्वर्सेशन
कोई बात नहीं, अगर आपको किसी भी
तो इसके आगे जो भी कन्वर्सेशन हुई थी वो मैंने आपको बता दी है. ओके मैंने आपको वीडियो में दिखा दी थी कि कैसे कन्वर्सेशन हो रही है. थैंक यू.